I know it's been a while before I put a video out there, but here we go. Back again with the driveway toolbox. This one right here is on the pool man's truck. Nice and rusty from all that chlorine. Well, he needs the front brake job done. We're gonna do the brakes in the rotors. On this one, you gotta take this big spindle nut off. That's a 36 millimeter. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and get the caliper off and the bracket off and out the way. I'm gonna try to set this phone up right here so I can record and go. Show you how I'm doing it. That should be good. Let's hope we don't get a phone call while we're in the middle of this. Okay, so first of all, what I like to do, instead of using the C-clamp or the caliper piston tool, I use a screwdriver. I usually just stick it right up in here, get it on the other side of the rotor, and pry back. See that? Then I push the caliper back. Now I get between the back side of the rotor and the inside brake pad, and pry back on that brake pad to push the pistons back in. Okay, that's all she wrote. Now we're gonna pull the caliper off. That's the wrong size there. Let's see what size we need. I'm assuming this caliper been replaced before, because I could have sworn it should have been a 13 millimeter, but it's not. Darn it. It's a 17. So on this one right here is a 17 millimeter. Man, I hope I wasn't blocking you guys when I was showing you. Let me move this over a little bit. My knee might have been in the way, just in case I blocked you. I put the screwdriver in here, pry on this side first, this side of the rotor and the caliper. When I get it all the way, then I push it back. Then I pry between the back pad and the rotor and push the caliper back. The caliper piston back until it's all the way. All right, now we're going to get this caliper taken out the way. That's tight. Yeah, it's tight. Let's get the big guy. Don't feel like breaking another ratchet, cordless ratchet. Big boy always get it. So let's get this out of the way. I can't find my caliper hanger, so I'm going to try to use this screwdriver. Stick it in there, and hoping that holds it up like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks kind of dark on the phone. Let's get these old pads out of here, which don't look worn down that bad, but you want to change that. That's what we're getting paid to do. We're going to change them out. Check the pins, they move pretty good. We're going to grease them later. Let's get the big breaker. This here caliper bracket bolts, 18 millimeter. I like to break it free first. After we break it free, then I put the ratchet on it. Alright, that's all she wrote. Get that put out the way. Now we have the big boat up front. Show you guys around here a little bit. See if we can film this. We want to get this cotter pin. I took it out of here. Set that down to the side. We're gonna get the breaker bar again. 36mm axle nut socket. See if we can break this baby free. Let me get you guys back some. Can you still see? See if we can get this broke free. Oh, shit. Oh, that's tight. Oh, that's tight. Man, I hope we're gonna get it. Oh, I hope we're gonna get it. Let's see. Walk. Got it right off. Happy that worked out. Now we gotta pry this joker off. And I don't have my tools. Oh, look at that. It feels like it's coming. Oh, came off easy. How about that? Backside's messed up from before the last brake job he had done. Okay, let's see what we got here. He's had this for a while. This the Rotors, YH145520. He got it from Advanced Auto Parts. I like to take the lube the spindle up a little bit. With some brake parts lubricant. Get the rotor put on. That's what we look like now. Got a new rotor. It's got new bearings in it. We got to torque that baby down. 295 foot-pounds. 295. It comes with a new spindle nut also. Bam. It says do not reuse. So he's got a new one. We're gonna put this spindle nut on. Right? We're gonna snug it down with the gun. Stop. And we're gonna pull out the torque wrench. Get your torque wrench set at 295. And torque this baby down. Like so. Oh, I got a little turn out of it before it clicked. I was hoping I did. Seemed like I wasn't. Now we got that all torqued down. we can continue on with putting it back together. And get you guys set back up here. God darn it, let's see, we recorded? Okay, I don't know how I did that. Paused it for a minute, somehow. Now, hopefully they show up pretty good on camera. Don't look that good. We're gonna put the lock back on to stop the nut from reversing. I mean, the joker's torqued down pretty tight. I doubt it's gonna reverse out, but we gotta be safe. Okay, we're gonna go back on with the caliper bracket, caliper bolts. Going crazy here. There we go. That's the 18 millimeter. Tighten it up with the ratchet first. And torque it down with the trusty breaker bar. Let's see. Click. I do the top one. Click. You heard that? It clicked. Sound like I did it. I'm gonna take these caliper pins. I'll take a little more lube and put on them. Slide them in. And do the same with the bottom. Slide them in. Now, brake pads he have. The golds, also from Advanced Auto Parts, GMKD 1083. That's with new hardware. Pop this hardware out. Pop the new hardware in. These are ceramic brake pads. I always have hell with these inside pads. Okay, got new springs for them. Springs go in like so. Got no holes right here on the brake pads. Springs go in. Uh-oh. Huh. How you like that? Just pop right out on me. Now you just gotta hold them. Darn it, what the heck? Stupid thing. we get this caliper put on before these springs go popping out. Oh my goodness. Let's get the top put on first. Let's get a bolt put in the top. Now we can slide this spring in from the bottom. That's the 17. Let's get him torqued down. Well, he's somewhere here. Click and click. That's all she wrote. So this is what a finished project look like. New pads, new rotors, new bearings, new spindle nut. I ain't got to board you guys with putting the wheel back on. I take it you know how to do that. Oh, look at that. Huh. Got something else to do. Let me notify him. He needs a, god darn it, sway bar links. Okay, let me let him know that. Thanks for watching. I know it was a rough video. I tried my best. It's hot as hell out here in this Florida heat. Please like and subscribe, baby.